Lal, are you at all surprised? The Supreme Court is getting angry. The Supreme Court is saying, "Bhai, stubble burning शुरू हो गई है. आप क्या कर रहे हो?" And the central panel that was formed 3 years ago to look into the NCR's pollution and try and curb it is saying, "Bhai, हम तो once in 3 months we meet."
Thanks for having me here, Shreya. First of all, I mean, citizens like me are not experts. But the question that I always ask governments is that, do we even know the reason for Delhi smog? You know, where are the experts? Yeah, as the Supreme Court said, sab hawa mein teer chala rahe. You know, we were told a few years ago that the culprit is Diwali, and a whole generation of kids were brainwashed into not burning crackers, lighting, making those green posters. Last year, it turned out that Delhi was engulfed in smog 20 days before Diwali. Now, crackers are not the culprit then. Then the focus in the last few years has shifted to Parali. Okay, NGOs after NGOs went after Parali. Parali is burnt all over India, but it's a problem just in Delhi. Now, central government released some 3,000 crore rupees of taxpayers' money, your and mine taxpayers' money, for effective management of crop residue in North India. Later, we saw some studies that Punjab has shifted to some Monsanto maize, which is the real culprit. Okay, if that's the real culprit, then go after that. 3 years ago, Delhi spent huge crores on smog towers, these tall filters that are supposed to clean up the air. Fancy speeches are made, inauguration ceremonies are done, and later we are told only one smog tower is working because the salaries of the smog tower employees are not paid. Okay, salaries were paid, it was restarted. Later, it turned out that smog to culprit, smog towers are not even effective. It's like the myth of the smog towers. Then why did we spend so much of money on it? I mean, is there any study done before taxpayers' money is literally burnt down like Parali is burnt? So my question, I mean, it's not surprising, but my question to administration and governments is, where are the experts? Does anyone even know the real reason? And the Supreme Court is right. Everything is, even if it is known, is in the air. Hawa mein teer chala rahe hain. Every year they launch a new shosha without any result. I mean, zero result orientation, zero accountability, and zero planning. Like, are we even aware that Delhi is going to become a gas chamber in a month or so? I mean, this year Diwali is coming earlier this year. So it's a very convenient excuse for lack of action. Zero planning and zero action on the ground. Okay, Diwali is causing the smog. So we will go back.
Okay.
I mean, the situation is alarming indeed.
Okay. This situation is alarming, but the situation never changes. The situation has been alarming for the last 10 years. For the last 10 years, we have had multiple debates, especially as we near end of October, early November. कुछ नहीं होता. Neoma Gupta, spokesperson for the Delhi BJP, 3 years ago, this central panel is constituted as a statutory body in the hope कि ये कुछ करेंगे. Because you always put the blame on the Aam Aadmi Party government and said these people are only experts at double speak. काम ये लोग कुछ करेंगे नहीं, पंजाब को बोलेंगे नहीं stubble burning बंद करने को. So a central panel is formed to look at the NCR's air quality. It seems the central panel itself is not interested in doing anything. I'm not saying it, the Supreme Court is saying it. They are calling them mute spectators.
Hi, Shreya. So, see, as far as the CAQM is concerned, their role with respect to pollution, I'm sure the agency will have to step up and become stricter with respect to acting against the violation of pollution norms. It is actually essential and non-negotiable given the winter season is about to start and bring in haze. However, the main issue here remains the same, that no amount of waterbury can change the fact that the main issue the court brought up was that of stubble burning, which is Parali, as the previous environmentalist and expert just mentioned, that every time the root cause is changed. However, over here, if you allow me a minute, we've seen extensive data, and this is not an assumption-based debate, this is a factual-based debate, that Parali is the main issue. So if we know that that is one of the root causes of it, might not be the solo cause of it, what are we doing about it now in terms of, so the question comes, how do you tackle it? According to the CAQM, this year, Punjab will see something like a 19.52 million tons of paddy residue, which after harvesting will have to have 1.5 lakh crop residue management machines. So has the Delhi government spoken with the Punjab government to ensure this is done? If so, what came out of the discussion?
Nyuma ji.
Now we have, sorry, I'm not done. Now
Nyuma ji, can I just interrupt you here, Nyuma ji?
Yeah, just call
Nyuma
me
ji, can I just interrupt you here? And can I just inform our viewers, just a minute, why was the CAQM formed? The CAQM was formed 3 years ago because the criticism was that no one knows who's responsible and accountable for the NCR's pollution levels going up to an extent where people start dying. ठीक है? So a decision was taken that all the bodies that look at Delhi's air and the NCR's air and the air of adjoining areas, all these bodies will be amalgamated into one body. That was the center's plan. It was a good plan. That you're cutting out multiple agencies, you're putting one agency accountable. The fact is that one agency that is accountable, according to the Supreme Court, is just a mute spectator and is doing nothing. So the failure is not just of this air quality control panel, it is also of the central government to who it reports to say, bhai, tum kaam kya kar rahe ho? Why should the Supreme Court have to tell the panel, tum kuch kaam nahi kar rahe ho?
No,
what is the central government doing? Even they are sleeping on the job, Nyuma ji.
No, so the central government has done a lot for pollution in Delhi. Delhi was given like some 38.22 crores in NCAP funds from a period of time. Out of it, 10 crores were utilized. I need to know why. Apart from this, there is GRAP, build road highways such as the Dwarka Expressway, enacted the FAME scheme, given EV permit exemptions, ensured strict emission standards for thermal power standards, heavily promoted solar energy. Now, when it comes to compliances, and there is a discrepancy of some instructions not being followed, it has to be followed soon. There's no question when it comes to Delhi.
There is no discrepancy. The court is saying you're not doing your job.
No. The court is saying
Advocate Panwar, would you want to come in here? Your spokesperson,